Imagine waking up on a Friday morning, using your phone all day, gaming late into the night, binge-watching your favorite shows on Saturday, scrolling endlessly through social media on Sunday, and by Monday morning, you still haven't charged your phone. Sounds unreal, right? But this isn't a dream. This is the Honor Power 2. A smartphone designed to crush the limits of battery life and endurance. While most phones struggle to last even a single day, this beast promises up to 3. But that's just the beginning. Before we dive into what makes the Honor Power to possibly the battery king of 2025, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell. Because what I'm about to show you might just change the way you look at smartphones forever. At the heart of this device is its massive 8,000 mAh silicon carbon battery. It's one of the largest ever squeezed into a slim smartphone. Silicon carbon tech is more advanced than traditional lithium-ion, allowing higher density without making the phone a brick. The result? A phone that can handle 25 hours of non-stop video playback, 23 hours of social scrolling, or 14 straight hours of intense gaming. That's enough to binge an entire season of your favorite show, survive a long road trip, or grind through a gaming marathon without even glancing at a charger. And durability, ISNT, just about today. Honor claims the power to can handle 1,000 full charge cycles, while keeping over 80% battery health. To put it simply, this isn't just a phone for now. It's a phone built to last 4 years. And when you finally do need to charge, that's where it gets even more impressive. With 66 West-wired fast charging, this phone rockets from 0 to 100% in just 68 minutes. That's less than the runtime of most movies. Even if you're in a rush, just 35 minutes gets you back to 50%, ready to power through your day. On top of that, it supports a variety of protocols: SCP, PDPP, PSQC 3.0, FCP, so you're not locked into a single charging method. Oh, and here's a neat trick. It doubles as a mini power bank. Thanks to 5 West reverse wired charging, you can top up your earbuds or even give your friend's phone a quick boost. But battery life isn't everything. The Honor Power 2 also brings a stunning 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a crisp 1224 by 2700 resolution and a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate that can scale all the way down to 1 Hz to save power. What really steals the spotlight is its jaw-dropping 4000 nits peak brightness. That's brighter than most flagship phones today, meaning you can comfortably use it outdoors in direct sunlight without squinting. Add in 3840 Hz PWM dimming for flicker-free nighttime viewing, and you've got a screen that's not only powerful, but also eye-friendly. Protected by durable glass, it's built to withstand everyday knocks and drops, too. Performance-wise, the Honor Power 2 doesn't cut corners. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, built on a 4nm process, with an octa-core CPU that balances high performance and energy efficiency. Plus the Adreno 720 GPU. It's perfect for smooth, multitasking, and responsive gaming. Storage options go up to 512 GB, paired with either 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM, ensuring plenty of room for apps, games, and media. True, there's no micro-SD card slot, but with half a terabyte on board, most users won't feel limited. Cameras are another highlight. On the back, you get a 50MP main sensor with OIS, optical image stabilization, and a large 1.56-inch sensor size, which means sharper details, better low-light shots, and less blur. Supporting it is a 5MP ultra-wide lens for group shots or landscapes. Up front, the 16MP selfie camera sits inside a pill-shaped punch hole, perfect for TikToks, Instagram Reels, and video calls. Video capabilities include 4000 recording at 30 EFPs and 1080p at 30 fps, both stabilized with gyro for smoother results. It may not rival pro-level camera phones, but it's more than capable for everyday creators and casual photographers. On the software side, it ships with Android 15, layered with Honor's Magic OS 9.0 skin. It's clean, optimized, and most importantly, fully compatible with Google services, so you don't have to worry about missing apps. Features like an under-display fingerprint scanner, NFC for payments, dual SIM support, and dual-frequency GPS make it a truly global-ready device. Navigation is rock solid, thanks to support for GPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, QZSS, and Navic. The only drawbacks: no wireless charging, no official IP rating beyond splash resistance, and number 3.5mm headphone jack. But for the price point, these compromises are expected. Speaking of price, the Honor Power 2 delivers stunning value. It launched in China on April 18, 2025, with prices starting at 1,999 CNY (272) for the base 8GB, 256GB version, and topping out at 2,499 CNY ($340) for the maxed out 12GB, 512GB model. That's less than half the price of many flagships with smaller batteries and weaker endurance. Available in Snow White, Desert Gold, and Phantom Night Black, it's as stylish as it is practical. And while a global release hasn't been confirmed, rumors suggest we might see it internationally by late 2025 or early 2026. So here's the big question. Is the Honor Power 2 the most practical and durable phone of 2025? With its unmatched battery life, fast charging, vibrant display, and fair pricing, it's hard to argue otherwise. Sure, it's missing a few premium perks like wireless charging and full waterproofing. But if your top priority is a phone that actually keeps up with your life, instead of constantly begging for a charger, this might just be the perfect choice. What do you think? Would you trade some fancy features for unbeatable endurance? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Because up next, we're redoing a 72-hour real-world no-charging challenge with the Honor Power 2. And trust me, don't want to miss how this beast performs in the wild.